In this video, we'll explore the concepts of surds and how to solve them. A surd is an expression that includes a square root, cube root, or other root symbol. Surds are used to write irrational numbers precisely. Because the decimals of irrational numbers do not terminate or recur, they cannot be written exactly in decimal form. This square has an area of 3 square meters. Write down the exact length of the side of the square. The length of the side is square root 3 meters. This answer is in surd form. It is irrational, and it is said to be in exact form. A decimal answer, such as 1.73, 2 decimal places, is not exact. Even 1.73, 20508075688877 is not exact. When an answer is required in exact form, you must write it as a surd, ideally simplifying it if possible. Surds can be simplified if the number in the root symbol has a square number as a factor. Learn these general rules. In this example, simplify square root 12. 12 has a perfect square of 4 as a factor. Therefore, we can factor 4 by 3. The square root of 4 is 2. Since 3 is not a perfect square, it will remain in the surd. The answer is 2 root 3. The rule for adding and subtracting surds is that the numbers inside the square roots must be the same. In this example, 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2 equals 2 root 2. 4 root 2 cannot be added to 3 root 3 because the numbers in the square root are not the same. In this example, simplify the surds by adding them. To answer this problem, you add 2 plus 6 to get 8. You rewrite the number in the square root. When you multiply surds with the same number in the root, you get the same number without the root. For example, the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 equals the square root of 9, which is 3.
Expressions with brackets that include surds, for example the square root of 11 times 2 minus 3, can be multiplied out just like multiplying out algebraic expressions. When this expression is expanded, you get 2 root 11 minus root 33. In this example, we are expanding and simplifying this problem. The first step is to multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. We follow up with collecting like terms. Treat surds as you would variables. A fraction whose denominator is a surd can be simplified by making the denominator a rational number. This is called rationalizing the denominator. In this example, we rationalize a fraction with a denominator of root 3. Thanks for watching. If you need help with maths, please go to thompsoneducate.com.